Designed for comfortable and easy grip, reducing handle fatigue, allowing for precise advancing technique and technology, foldable intraocular lenses, self-loaded IOLs. There is always a risk of IOL damage. Lens can be implanted smoothly directly into the capsular bag. In comparison, a few preloaded IOLs have very smooth implantation injector system. For foldable IOLs, injector के अंदर की दुनिया, injector world from inside. It has a safety feature that is a locking mechanism that prevents accidental release or ensures proper alignment. Ergonomics handle designed for comfortable and easy grip, reducing handle fatigue, allowing for precise control during lens implantation. A gas cylinder and a spring having nitrogen gas that is inert and stable provide controlled pressure. A plunger for smooth controlled movement ensures lens unfold correctly. A cartridge hold lens in place, design minimal stress on lens and prevent damage. Smooth round edge nozzle tip that minimize trauma during IOL implantation. इस तरह का कोई भी preloaded system is important for precise, safety and easy use for accurate IOL implantation. Thanks all patients for their consent and cooperation.